If you're looking for low carbs, less sugar, this is it right here.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make peanut butter chocolate protein cookies with pecans. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. You have it. Chocolate, well, peanut butter chocolate protein cookies with pecans. They're nice, soft, and chewy. Let's see what these joints taste like. You guys, I just took them out the oven. They feel a little warm. So we're gonna see what they taste like. Alright, this is what we're gonna be using to make our protein packed cookies. I'm gonna add in our bean flour. Protein powder. I got chocolate. This is what I already had. And some peanut butter. Some maple syrup. And a little that oat milk. I'm sorry, you guys, if you can't see it. There you go. Just a little. Have some chopped pecans. Add some of those in. That's going to add all of those in. I'm going to stir this up. Some more milk and adding a little at a time. And this is unsweetened, guys. Get it to the consistency that we need it to be. Alright, that's what we want it to look like, just like that, doughy. So now I'll form these into little balls. Clean up my mess. Form these into little balls and place them on a pre-greased baking pan, baking sheet. We'll make them into into little balls first, and then I'm going to flatten them out. Using my bare hands. They're a little wet because I just washed my hands, and that's fine. That's probably making it even better. So I'm just going to flatten these out just a little bit, and I'm going to place these in the oven. The oven is already preheated on 400. Alright you guys, I just took these out the oven and removed them from the baking pan and placed them on a cooling rack. We're going to let these cool down for about 5 minutes. There you have it, guys. Peanut butter chocolate protein cookies with pecans.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Now these may not look the best, you guys, but they are so delicious.